Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay with PayPal on Kinguin. So first you need to open this website. Let me open this. And then you need to open this website. So once you are on this website, so I want to purchase this item. So you simply need to select. And after that, this item will be added into your cart. Here it is. And then you need to click on buy now. So I want to purchase one item, so let me delete this. Okay, so one item is added. So here you can option of sign in or create an account, but I want to purchase this as a guest, so you need to add your email address here. So I'm going to add my email address here. Make sure that your email address is correct. Once you add your email address, you simply need to click on continue as a guest and wait for a few seconds. And here you can see that choose payment method. So then you simply need to select PayPal. So select payment method does not support PK, so I want to switch to euro. And once I switch a currency, a next page will be pop up. So here it is PayPal, and then I need to add my details and click on pay with PayPal, accept these conditions, click on continue with PayPal, and then the next window will open where you need to log in into your PayPal account, and then your PayPal will be selected and you can easily purchase. So this is the process how you can pay with PayPal on Kinguin. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.